What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And today we're going to be going over a few different things. We're going to go over Electroneum price action, going over some news with Coinbase, how their users are punishing Coinbase basically, and we're going to go over a couple different exchanges I like. And if that sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe and like, and we're just going to dive right into it. Alright guys, so I was talking about Electroneum having a move to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. If you look right here, this is where I made the call. The price dropped down, went below out of this support, touched down into this red box I was talking about, and then bounced off again, and now is back in that channel. So exactly what I thought happened. So a little bit of a reversal going on, and it looks like we're putting in a higher low. So the first good sign in about a month. So the first good sign in about a month, since its rise up, then down, then up again, and then sideways and down. But now it could look like it's pulling back. It could look like it's finally changing. We put in a higher low than right here. So let's see what happens. Let's see if it's changing direction. That's what I think is going to happen, guys. I think we're getting a little bit of a reversal, and Electroneum is going to start pushing back up now towards the 0.0078. Okay, that would be the bullish play out. All right, now if it's bearish, I think it'll continue to pull down right here and break down below the previous low. And then that would be a very bearish sign, meaning it would be just continuing this long trend line, this downtrend since the last month. So keep an eye on that, guys. Notice if it goes up to 0.0078 or if it drops down to 0.0073. Okay, that's what I'd be looking for in the short term. And guys, if you're not sure exactly where to take your Electroneum and exchange it, Kucoin is a very good exchange. I like it a lot. It's very easy to use. It seems very safe. It has an authenticator, passwords on your trading account, a main account, and a trading account as well. So there's many different safety features, and I think it's just a great exchange. So be sure to check it out. That's kucoin.com. And let's dive into some news. So users punish Coinbase for outrage by withdrawing record amount of BTC. This is kind of in relation to the Black Swan incident, which happened on June 1st outage, when Bitcoin was having trouble breaking through the $10,000 resistance level, and the Black Swan author Nassim Taleb quit the exchange. So users punishing Coinbase. June 7th, Coinbase users withdrew more than 22,000 more Bitcoins than they deposited, worth $214 million. According to Glassnode data, only once in history did Coinbase see that greater net withdrawal, July 28th, 2017, when the outflow was 22,500 BTC. The price at the time, however, was 2,785, thus denominated in the dollars. That was a much more modest event, with only 63 million worth of Bitcoin withdrawn from the exchange. So guys, here's something I just thought of. Notice when this happened, July 28th, 2017. Let's check out the daily chart here. So here it is. Here's July. Okay. So right before the massive bull run, can you imagine if the same thing happened again? Right there, that would be incredible. So if all that movement is just before a big move, that would just be a repeat of history, which would be interesting. Interesting to see. An interesting way to look at it, guys. The Coinbase still holds close to 1 million Bitcoin, more than any other exchange. Thus, latest incident may have an insignificant impact on the bottom line. Nonetheless, keeping in mind how BitMEX lost its leadership position, Coinbase would be well advised to fix its scalability woes in order to not alienate users any further. Black swans appear when you least expect them. So, moreover, I don't like Coinbase very much. I like Gemini. If you guys don't know about them, be sure to check them out. They're a great exchange as well. The Winklevoss twins, and they're stationed out of New York. And I think their company's worth over $1 billion now. So it's just a very popular exchange. They're not going anywhere, and very safe, and authenticators, all that stuff. And you can hook your bank right up to it. You get your crypto on, and definitely get some good gains trading off of the website. You can avoid fees by using the Pro app, basically, instead of using just the regular app on your phone. Like if you just download Gemini app and you just try to trade like right on your phone there, you'll get really hammered with fees. So always go online to the Pro app on the website, because you can avoid fees by trading right on the Pro exchange. And then let's talk a little bit more about Electroneum, guys. As you guys all know, it's one of my most exciting projects. I really like Electroneum a lot. Just very popular, and not only that, but what they're doing is amazing. They're really trying to help the unbanked in the world, and I think that's just a great thing, putting yourself out there to people who can't help themselves. And I think it has a lot of opportunity for even business, and I think it's going to perform like many other coins that are in the top 30, and it's just a matter of time before they get there. But let's talk a little bit about Electroneum for those who don't know what Electroneum is. And in a nutshell, I'm going to read this right from the text. While some cryptocurrencies claim to democratize the world of payments, many are not truly accessible to a large portion of the world's population. But the Electroneum ecosystem was founded within the unbanked in mind. Cryptocurrency and payment systems allow many people to access for the first time the world of digital transactions via smartphone. Its AnyTask app, or AnyTask.com platform, helps locate entrepreneurs gain access to a global digital marketplace without having to have a bank account. The company also benefits businesses by unlocking a whole new audience and providing rewards via its ETN coin. So what was going on in phase one for a long time was they were doing a rewards program, which was really growing the ecosystem and growing their client base. And I think they grew it up to 3.2 million users, over 300,000 mobile miners. And the project was just really booming. And then they cut off phase one just recently. I think it was about a month ago. That would be, I think it was May. I'm not exactly sure there, guys, on the exact date, but it was just recently, like in the last month or so. Maybe 2 months at latest. I think they did that for a good reason. I think you can't give away all this coin for too long and expect the value of the coin and the project to survive. So I think there was a lot of talk about it being 1 million users when the cutoff, or 700,000 or something. And I just didn't think it would be that much. I actually thought it would be around 400,000. So I was actually really close. So 300,000 cutoff is a great place to start working on coin economics and just, growing the project that way. And it's time for people to buy the coin, basically. That's what I really believe. It's, the people have to start now buying it, showing their real world interest, and I think then it would really blow up. And something that Richard Ells said that I really liked, wouldn't it be awesome if we could make a crypto that worked entirely from a remote mobile phone? So not only the mining, but also the AnyTask program, everything can be done right from the app. And it's just really easy to use, which is why I like it so much. I think it's just going to be a really popular program. If you imagine what Ripple did, went all the way up to $3. Boy, could you imagine if Electroneum did the same thing? That would be several 1,000% run up. And I think it's just a matter of time before something like that happens. We've already seen it have 2 big bull runs, accumulating 8 times at least each time. And one happened just recently where it hit a cent. And there's been a little bit of a pan off since then. So guys, I think that's just weeding out some weak hands. Hold strong. Electroneum's just a really good program. I think you'll be very happy you did. And here's another quote from Richard Ells, the founder and CEO of Electroneum ecosystem. And this is also why I like this guy so much, because he's so active. Okay, we're actually flying out to these countries, getting our boots on the ground. He said, I've flown all over the place in Africa and Southeast Asia. And what you realize is that these people actually can't get Bitcoin or Ethereum because they're unbanked. They can't open an exchange account and buy those currencies. But El said that's where Electroneum is different. We're using the power of the blockchain to unlock the global digital economy for millions of people in the developing world, according to the company, helping everyone to live life on their own terms. Our solution is enabling people to embrace their entrepreneurial spirit and find ways to enhance their lives. And guys, that just sounds like such a good project to me. And now with AnyTask on its way, their phase 2 is strongly going, and I think it's just a matter of time before you get to the next phase, phase 3. And it's just a matter of time, like I said. So check out Electroneum, guys. Many good things there. Back into the price action. I wanted to go over Bitcoin a little bit today, guys. A little bit of price action going on. We are still putting in this sideways motion. It's just boring, guys. Bitcoin is just boring right now. But we are still moving upwards. We're moving upwards for the last few days. So we're in upward trend. We're still on the support trend line and working our way up slowly. So guys, keep an eye on that. If we see a little bit of a retracement, we could see it all the way come down, all the way down to the 9,600. And if there's a sell-off, you know how that goes, guys. It could be a massive percentage, 10 to 20%. So just be mindful. Be paying attention, be ready for it, be ready to accumulate. That's what I'll be doing if the price drops, and if it goes up, hey, just a good time to take a little profit or hold for, an even higher time. Because guys, I think what's going to happen for a lot of people is a lot of people will see the gains. They'll get a $12,000 Bitcoin or $13,000 Bitcoin and take profits, and then watch it soar up even further this time because we're in a supposed bull market. I think it's possible. So be mindful of that when you're selling your coin, or if you're selling your coin, that there could be some higher times right around the corner. And that's about it, guys. If you liked what you saw today, be sure to subscribe and like. I've been getting a lot of support from you guys, and I can't thank you guys enough. It's just been great. I'm having a great time. I've gotten hundreds and hundreds of views. I'm almost at the 1,000 view mark. So thank you guys. It's been great. It's been great so far, and I'm going to keep doing videos. Keep doing this every day. I do this for you guys. It's why I do it. You guys are keeping me going. So thank you. Be sure to subscribe and like, and I'll catch you guys later.